Hello and welcome to the session. Principles of Operations Management LO1 analyze the effectiveness of operations management in contributing to organizational objectives across a wide range of organizations and sectors. How does operations management shape the efficiency of organizations? This video explores the principles of operations management, highlighting its role in maximizing efficiency. Discover how these principles contribute to achieving strategic objectives across various sectors. Operations management involves administering business practices to achieve the highest efficiency. It focuses on converting materials and labor into goods and services. The goal is to maximize profits by optimizing resources. This discipline is essential in every organization. It ensures smooth operations and continuous improvement. Operations management has evolved significantly over time. Initially, craft manufacturing dominated with skilled artisans producing customized goods. The Industrial Revolution introduced mass production, emphasizing high volume and low variety. Innovations like the assembly line increased efficiency. Today, new approaches like lean and agile manufacturing are prevalent. Flexible specialization allows firms to focus on different parts of the value chain. Lean production eliminates waste and reduces costs. Mass customization combines high volume with personalized products. Agile manufacturing enables quick adaptation to market changes. These approaches enhance operational efficiency. Operations managers oversee production and service delivery. They manage resources, control costs, and ensure quality. Their role involves coordinating with other departments like marketing and finance. Decision-making is crucial in designing and improving operation systems. Efficient management provides a competitive edge. The Paul cycle is fundamental in operations management. Planning involves setting goals and strategies. Organizing allocates resources and arranges tasks. Leading guides and motivates teams towards objectives. Controlling monitors performance and ensures progress. These functions are vital for effective resource management. Strategic operations management focuses on long-term goals. It aligns operations with business strategies. Decisions include capacity, location, and technology. Strategic planning ensures sustainability and competitiveness. It provides direction for achieving organizational objectives. Tactical operations management translates strategies into actionable plans. It involves inventory policies and quality management. Resource allocation and supplier contracts are crucial. Tactical decisions balance costs, quality, and delivery. This level ensures efficient resource utilization. Operational management handles day-to-day activities. It focuses on scheduling, quality control, and maintenance. Order and inventory management are key tasks. This perspective ensures timely delivery and cost efficiency. It supports smooth daily operations. Operations management spans various activities. It includes production, supply chain, and quality management. Facility management and logistics are also covered. This field is relevant to public, private, and not-for-profit sectors. It ensures efficient organizational operations. In the public sector, operations management ensures efficient service delivery. It optimizes resource use in public transport and health services. The focus is on meeting public needs effectively. Operations management enhances taxpayer value. It ensures public satisfaction. In the private sector, operations management aims for profit maximization. It enhances efficiency in factories and retail stores. Operations management helps respond to market demands. It improves product quality and reduces costs. This boosts competitiveness. Not-for-profit organizations focus on mission fulfillment. Operations management maximizes resource use. It ensures effective service delivery and mission achievement. Operations management helps manage donations and grants. It supports organizational goals. Operations management offers diverse career paths. Roles include operations manager, logistics manager, and supply chain specialist. Operations analysts optimize processes. These roles exist in various industries. They require both soft and technical skills. Soft skills are crucial in operations management. They include communication, teamwork, and problem solving. Time management and critical thinking are essential. Decision-making and organizational skills are vital. These skills enhance workplace relationships. Technical skills are task-specific abilities. They include programming and data analysis. Technical writing is also important. These skills support technical roles in operations management. They complement soft skills for effective performance. The transformational model involves inputs, transformation, and outputs. Operations management directs these processes. It converts resources into finished goods or services. This model applies to both manufacturing and service sectors. It supports efficient operations. The 4 volts framework includes volume, variety, variation, and visibility. Volume refers to the quantity produced. Variety is the range of products offered. Variation involves demand fluctuations. Visibility is the extent customers see the process. Operations management is affected by external factors. Pestle factors include political, economic, and social influences. Technological and legal aspects also impact operations. Globalization and sustainability are key considerations. Adapting to these factors ensures competitiveness. Global sourcing involves procuring from international suppliers. It offers cost savings and access to expertise. Ethical sourcing ensures responsible practices. It enhances reputation and sustainability. Balancing both aspects is crucial for success. In conclusion, analyzing the effectiveness of operations management is essential for understanding its contribution to achieving organizational objectives across different organizations and sectors. Effective operations management ensures the efficient use of resources, consistent quality, timely delivery, and cost control. Regardless of industry, strong operational practices support productivity, customer satisfaction, and competitive advantage. By aligning operations with strategic goals, organizations can enhance performance, adapt to changing demands, and achieve sustainable success in diverse business environments. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 4361 688.